Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And if you're a regular subscriber to our content, such as our reviews and coverage of gadgets, accessories and things we think make the travel experience better, you will have seen our Google Pixel 8 Pro unboxing and setup videos. And today we're going to unpackage and review a TUDIA Merge case for the Google Pixel 8 Pro. This is a review device provided to us by TUDIA, and we would like to thank TUDIA for sending us this review case. This case is available on Amazon. We'll link in the description to where you can purchase this TUDIA Merge case. And in terms of packaging, it's pretty straightforward. There's a bit of literature on the back giving you the basic specifications, such as the fact that it's shockproof. It gives you pretty good coverage of the casing of the phone, and that it is certified to meet or exceed military standard 810G. So let's open the packaging and see what's inside. So this is the blue TUDIA Merge case. This is actually the MergeGrip model, and as you can see, it's dual tone TPU, so it's a relatively soft plastic. And in this case, it has the blue back and black finishing on the inside and on the sides. Right, let's slip the Google Pixel 8 Pro into the case, and it fits perfectly. Very snug, as expected. And here we have, whoops, a kitten has decided to be part of the video briefly. Here we have a good cutout for that visor on the Google Pixel 8 Pro, so that you can show off those lenses, yet raise it from the surface and, kitten tail, and not have it scratched when you put the phone down on there. So decent raise there on the sides of the visor. And then on the screen we get about 0.5 millimeter to a whole millimeter raise on the edge of the screen. Unlike the Google Pixel 7 Pro, the Google Pixel 8 Pro has a flat screen, so this becomes a much more protective case. It should be also a more damage-resistant form factor because of the fact that most cases, such as this TUDIA MergeGrip case, can protect the sides better. Now, in terms of buttons, we see here on the right-hand side we have a power button and rocker button extensions in the case. And you can see it's not sticky, no stickiness there. Let's unlock the phone and try that volume rocker. Yes, the volume rocker works well. There's no stickiness. It's as expected. On the left-hand side, no cutouts or features to cover, apart from a little bit of a rougher section here on the TPU case. This is deliberate. It is where you tend to hold your phone. Therefore, it's less slippy, which is good. And then just in general, we've got that sort of diamond weave design on the back, which makes it inherently less slippy, which is a good thing. And that embossed TUDIA logo, quite like the form factor there. And then at the bottom, we have the cutouts for the symmetric, yes, you heard me right, iPhone viewers, symmetric cutouts for speaker and microphone holes, and that USB Type-C port. So, at the top, we have an extra cutout for the microphone. It's well contoured in that divide between black and blue TPU. Overall, I think this is a really good case for the Google Pixel 8 Pro. If the Google Pixel 6 Pro and the Google Pixel 7 Pro are anything to go by, this will likely become my go-to case or my most used case over the course of the year. But it's still early. It's only been a couple of days since we've unboxed and set up the Google Pixel 8 Pro. Let's see how the year progresses. As usual, we'll be discussing this on upcoming episodes of the Tech Travel Geeks podcast, as well as videos where we cover the device, accessories, and anything we think make this travel experience better, including fashion. Yes, we're fashion influencers now. Anyway, what I will do is, as I said at the beginning, link in the description to where you can buy the TUDIA MergeGrip case from Amazon, as well as to our other content about the Google Pixel 8 Pro. If you don't already, please do subscribe to us, and If you made it this far in this video, thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.